Some scientists say these aphrodisiacs for women could actually boost your libido. Sex, and how to make it better, has long been a topic of study and a much-needed one. 43% of women and 31% of men report having sexual dysfunction, according to the Cleveland Clinic. From ancient fertility deities to modern erectile dysfunction drugs, we've literally tried every so-called miracle cure in the pursuit of great sex. Aphrodisiacs named after the Greek goddess of love, Aphrodite, are any food or drugs that arouse sexual desire or pleasure. But despite their long-standing history, the limited scientific research done on natural libido boosters has produced little clinical evidence supporting their effects, according to the Mayo Clinic. Most recently, a team of scientists reviewed approximately 50 studies done on the most popular animal and plant-based aphrodisiacs and OTC supplements on the market. Here's what their findings, published in the Journal of the International Society for Sexual Medicine in 2015, and other health authorities have to say about which ones pack the potency they claim. Oysters. Worth trying? Not really. Legendary lover Casanova supposedly downed 50 oysters a day to boost his virility and sexual stamina. Why? Because they contain zinc, which is essential for testosterone production. They also contain certain amino acids and serotonin, two factors linked to feeling pleasure. However, research has failed to connect the mollusks with actually enhancing sexual drive. Any positive differences you personally experience from visiting the raw bar may stem from another reason, the placebo effect. Simply believing a certain food will get you in the right mood can make all the difference, according to Berkeley Wellness. Ginseng. Worth trying? Yes. This herb is already a popular herbal remedy, but preliminary studies show that it may help with erectile dysfunction. Research on its effect on women is limited, but one type, Korean red ginseng, has been shown to boost sexual arousal in menopausal women. Ginseng is generally safe, the Mayo Clinic states, but may cause insomnia. Chocolate. Worth trying? Nope. Even the early Aztecs believed chocolate boosted virility, an attitude probably shared by loads of Russell Stovers-bearing men on Valentine's Day. Cacao does contain components linked to increased serotonin production, which was believed to boost desire. Heartbreakingly, though, the scientists found no evidence to support this claim. When they compared chocolate consumers and non-consumers, there was no difference. But don't throw out your chocolate bars yet, there is still evidence that it has other benefits, from increasing heart health to boosting memory. Maca. Worth trying? Yes. This root vegetable, native to Peru's Andes region, has been used for centuries for fertility, arousal, and hot flashes. It's typically taken ground up in pill or powder form. Researchers found a few promising studies that indicate it might help healthy menopausal women with sexual dysfunction, as well as men with erectile dysfunction. While they acknowledge that more research is needed to determine dosage, they did find that maca is generally considered safe, but remember that the FDA does not review or approve any dietary supplements for safety or efficacy. Honey. Worth trying? Nope. For centuries, honey has been attributed with injecting romance into marriages. The term honeymoon is rumored to have originated in 16th century England with the newlywed tradition of drinking mead, made from fermented honey, for a month after their vows. Unfortunately, no reliable studies prove its aphrodisiac effectiveness. And researchers warn against trying mad honey, a product made in Turkey that claims to be a sexual stimulant. Made from a specific type of nectar, it contains toxins that can lead to heart complications. Ginkgo. Worth trying? Maybe. Ginkgo biloba is an extract from an ancient species of tree used in traditional Chinese medicine as a remedy for depression, sexual dysfunction, and other ailments, as it may increase blood flow. But the research behind it is inconclusive, and ginkgo can interact with other medications like Xanax, antidepressants, diabetes drugs, and even ibuprofen. The bottom line, the Mayo Clinic advises taking caution because even though taking ginkgo extract appears to be safe, it can also increase your risk of bleeding. Wild yam. Does it work? Nope. In pill form, wild yam has been used to treat gastrointestinal issues. And the extract is added to creams that claim to ease menopausal symptoms and boost arousal. But the 2015 scientific review states that no studies found a significant sexual improvement for people using wild yam products. Argin-Max. Worth trying? Yes. While researchers say most vitamins don't do anything significant to boost sexual function, they found that the combination supplement Argin-Max has more potential to do the trick. A blend of vitamins A, B complex, C, E, zinc, Korean ginseng, ginkgo, and Damiana leaf, it had a demonstrable effect on women's desire and satisfaction in some small pilot studies. As always, consult with your doc before starting any supplement regimen. Chasteberry. Worth trying? Nope. Chasteberry, often sold as Vitex, comes from the chaste tree and has long been taken for menstrual and menopausal concerns. And although some preliminary research indicates it may ease PMS symptoms, there is no evidence that it boosts desire. It may also interfere with birth control pills or hormone replacement therapy, so definitely skip it if you take either, the National Institutes of Health recommend. Addii. Worth trying? Maybe. Nearly 20 years after Viagra hit the market, the FDA finally approved a prescription medication for low sexual desire in women in 2015. Flibanserin, sold under the trade name Addii, is a daily pill that may boost sex drive but can cause potentially serious side effects like low blood pressure, sleepiness, nausea, fatigue, dizziness, and fainting, especially if mixed with alcohol, according to the Mayo Clinic. A doctor may also recommend estrogen therapy in the form of a vaginal ring, cream, or tablet to improve sexual function. Then there's always non-medical strategies like limiting alcohol consumption, getting more physically active outside the bedroom, that is, and simply talking with your partner about likes and dislikes, all of which can have a positive effect on sexual function and satisfaction.